It used to be that a good Windows 10 device cost an arm and a leg, and the cheap ones were rubbish. But that's the past. Today there are plenty of affordable, quality Windows 10 tablets to choose from, so picking the best one for you is more difficult than ever before. Be it a small tablet to toss in your bag or a big one to replace your aging laptop, you don't have to spend a ton to get what you need. There are some pricey options that aren't worth your money, so we rounded up the best affordable Windows 10 tablets. All of them are worthy of your attention. Chinese brand Chuwi is doing some great work in providing affordable, yet good quality Windows 10 products. The Hi10 Pro is a 10.8-inch tablet with a full HD IPS display powered by an Intel Atom X5 processor. Add to that 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM and you've got a fair amount of power for $225. You even get USB-C. There are an optional keyboard and active stylus, too. You also get a dual boot option for Android, if that sort of thing appeals to you. See at Amazon New Vision 8-inch. You may not get the same build quality here as with a Lenovo, Dell or HP tablet, but what you do get is an incredible price for the hardware. For about $70, you get an Intel Atom X5 processor, 2GB of RAM, 32GB of storage and an 8-inch 1920 by 1200 resolution display. Throw in a micro SD card slot, around 6 hours of battery life and something that weighs not much more than half a pound, and you have a great inexpensive Windows 10 tablet to throw in your bag and take anywhere you go. See at Amazon Fusion 5 10-inch. This 10-inch tablet from Fusion 5 costs less than $200 and is powered by a quad-core Intel Atom processor. It's not the greatest looking device out there, but with 32GB of storage, 2GB of RAM and plenty of ports to connect things, as well as HDMI out, you've got a sleek, lightweight little PC for not a lot of cash. It's available in the US for $180, and you can pick it up for the same price elsewhere in the world, such as Europe. See at Amazon Chuwi Hi10 Pro. The second tablet on our list from Chuwi is the Hi10 Pro, a smaller, more portable tablet that still packs some great hardware at a terrific price. As you'll guess from the name, it's an 8-inch tablet and the star feature is the 1920 by 1200 resolution display. It looks great and for $140 is pretty special. The rest of the tablet is what you'd expect at this price, with an Intel X5 processor, 2GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. It also has a dual boot option that offers an Android 5.1 experience which you can take or leave. More interesting is the USB-C, so you're ready for the future standard as well as the ability to hook up to an external display and use it like a little PC. See at Amazon updated February 15, 2018. We checked our list, and these are still the best cheap Windows 10 tablets you can buy.